Yo, what's poppin' YouTube? Of course, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You know, we back up in this thing with another video, man. Today, you know, we got a little slight work. It's a slow day in the sneaker community, you know what I'm saying? You know, got a couple of notable, you know, information. Like, we got Yeezy 500 highs now. What else? Let me see. Yeah, that was about it. You know, notable information. Anything else, we definitely will get into it. But of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you holler at your boy in the comment section as we proceed to give you what you need. We ain't heard that one in a minute. Alright, let's get into it. Yo, so today, like as I said, you know, we had a little slow day. So we definitely did get images of those Yeezy 500, you know, highs, man. You know, I ain't gonna hold you, man. I like them. You know, I'm definitely a 750 guy, you know, in the Yeezy line. You know, the 700s were, you know, definitely a cool, you know, change of pace. You know, the dare shoe. I like my sneakers to feel like a sneaker. So between the 700s and the Yeezy 750s, you know, those really gave me the feel of a sneaker, you know, way better than the 350s, even though, you know, I put a drip, I rock with those a little bit, but definitely not as much as the 750s and definitely not as much as 700. So insert, as we all are waiting for the Yeezy basketballs.
Pause what?
Insert, you know, a high top version of the Yeezy 500s, man. I must say, you know, they're looking pretty cool. You know what I'm saying? The first kind of new-esque model that we've seen from Yeezy that is looking to release. You know, right now, you know, we don't really have firm, solid release information for those, but, you know, I'm in for it. Next up, you know, we got those Hyper Royal Air Jordan 14s, which, you know, we definitely just got the candy canes. Of course, you know, Jordan brand is in this theme of, you know, we get a red version or something, then we gotta have the blue version. You know, shout out to LA. Um, 14s are quietly one of my favorite models, man. I think, you know, having a blue cut version of the colorway ain't bad, man. You know, for all you blue fans out there, these are for you. Okay shoe, okay offering, but typical, very typical of Jordan brand. We also have, you know, of course, you know, in the blue fashion, those 12s coming up, you know, the reverse blue flu game 12s. You know, terrible name, but it is what it is. Those should be coming up soon. We've seen images of these, image in the video. I think they cool. I think they dig it, and I dig them, and I like the way they switched up. You know, the rubber panel that usually go in the reptile, you know, around the toe box to like more of a suede, you know, to give it a little bit of mixture. So those are cool. We got those camo 10s coming out. You know, I definitely needed a camo Jordan 10, Jordan brand. You all are absolutely killing it. Yeah. That's it. Couple of sneakers, notable sneakers coming up. Stay tuned for the restock of the Nike, you know, ID of those Levi, you know, Air Force 190 low pack. You know what I'm saying? That is coming soon. I'll put a little picture, you know, somewhere in what's called. So if you missed out on that the first time, it is coming back. Make sure you in tune. Make sure you got yours created. You know, the Levi joints, I definitely got mine created. I will be pressing purchase as soon as it come back up. Very dope Nike ID options. Probably some of the best that they've ever had, as I said in the last video. Definitely excited and looking forward to that. Flu Game family. So let's get into, you know, Supreme did drop that lookbook this week, man. Last season was definitely trash. Spring summer 19. I was not a fan of that season. Not too many items to really look forward to. But yo, man, Supreme, they saw what happened. They heard us. They stepped it up for this season, man. We got a fucking dirt bike. You know what I'm saying? Just, you know, a burner phone. It's crazy. A lot of things to look forward to. So I'm gonna get into probably like my top 5 items, you know, maybe a couple honorable mentions that I'm looking forward to this season. Y'all let me know in the comment box what y'all looking forward to. You know what I'm saying? It shall be lit. Item number 5, definitely looking forward to, you know, the Pyrex Supreme measuring cup. Yo, what dope boy was in the kitchen, you know what I'm saying, water whipping, dreaming like, damn, yeah, this regular Pyrex is getting the job done, but I need to be fly with this shit. I definitely need a Supreme Pyrex measuring cup. Yo, nigga gonna be making all type of pancakes, going crazy in the kitchen with that joint. That's
Boy,
definitely number 5. Number 4, yo, that dirt bike gotta go in. Number 4, you know, just, we all know that shit is fire. You know, we all know that shit gonna be cold as hell, but that shit gonna be like $20,000, some stupid ridiculous shit like that, and I'll never have it. So, although it's cool, we gonna reserve the top 3 spots with some shit that, you know, I can actually have. Number 3, yo, the burner phone is fire, man. Yo, I'm always talking about, you know, the trap phone, you know what I'm saying, trap phone this, trap phone that. Yo, when I was in high school, your boy Q the Flu definitely didn't have the money for the contract joint, so your mama definitely made me go out, and I had to buy my own Motorola Razor. I know y'all remember them joints. I definitely had the SIM card, using up all my minutes. Couldn't talk until 9 o'clock at night every night, talking to all the honeys. You know what time it was, but we definitely get to have a Supreme burner phone just for bullshit, you know what I'm saying? All the side piece action. But black men don't cheat. Y'all know that. You know what I'm saying? Gang 2. Yo, the red Supreme socks. Them shits are fire, son. You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, I never knew how much I needed a pair of red socks until, like, that lookbook came out. Thank you, Supreme. Definitely gonna be copping those. Definitely need them shits. Shit's a fire. What else can I say? Last but not least, of course, it's gonna be the bandana BOGOs. You know what I'm saying? That goes without question. I need whatever color ain't gonna get me shot around this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Because I would've, you know, red my favorite color, but yeah, we ain't whooping over here. You know, I would go for the navy blue, but you know what I'm saying? You know, RP. You know what I'm saying? Tell the homie Nev Hustle. You know, we ain't gonna disrespect nothing over there. You know, the yellow is fire. But I know a lot of Latin King homies, and you know what I'm saying, we ain't gonna disrespect that. So yeah, it's really crazy. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna have Issa Rae rolling with the pink bandana, you know, joints on. So, you know, we don't wanna fuck with whatever gang that is either.
The Reefs have an exciting year gang banging ahead of us, blippity blippity. Scat. But
It's just, you know, niggas gonna be out here in the Doodle Brown joint. But nevertheless, them shits are fire, so I gotta have it. You know what I'm saying? Dope, man. Dope pieces. We all know we all gonna go out of it. Y'all let me know in the comment box, man. What Supreme items are y'all looking forward to, man? You know what I'm saying? It should be a good season, man. But without further ado, of course we know the giveaway. I'm gonna screen that to the cows are home. We are 300 away, you know, for the 1,000 subscriber mark, which is when the giveaway will commence. So y'all make sure y'all sharing the video, y'all liking the video, y'all subscribing. You know what I'm saying? Let's get that 1,000 mark so we can get this giveaway cracking. As always, your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rocking, and thank you for rocking with me. Gang.
The Chicago